The junction of Highways 400 and 281 in Pratt is a busy Kansas intersection. Thousands of trucks pass through here each day, carrying freight in every direction. Stoplights control the flow, and in every red light cycle, chances are that at least one 18-wheeler briefly stops. And that sets up an unlikely buffet for a clever sparrow that nests on the corner. Big trucks smash a lot of bugs as they travel along at highway speeds. And since many have exposed grills that collect the insects where they're easily seen and reached, they offer fast food for a busy parent feeding its young. The trouble is, a bird can't catch a speeding truck. And that's where the stoplight comes in. This male English sparrow has things figured out, and he sits and waits for food to come to him. When the truck pulls up, he has about 60 seconds to fly down, snoop around the radiator grill, pick off a goodie, and then fly back to the nest with a dead bug. He'll do this again and again wherever he spots easy pickings. It seems like dangerous business with traffic flowing all around, but the bird is used to it, sometimes even going under the hood. There's no panic when the truck takes off. The bird simply finishes hunting and then flies away as the vehicle picks up speed. Crazy. Oh, the sparrow will look around here and there for other food, but he seems to like trucks the best. There's a long summer and several broods of youngsters ahead of him. No worries. This food supply is endless as long as the traffic flows. And the sparrow's ingenuity makes his life easy. I'm Mike Blair in the Kansas Outdoors.